Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
What are we gonna do today?
Make a picture.
You're gonna make a picture? Mama is gonna clean this mess. Oh man. Are we ready for this? Okay. And I'm sorry about the bright light that's gonna be behind me once I move. I've tried to re-angle the camera in a few different ways, but it just, if I put it over this way a little bit more, then you can't really see into the cupboard. So I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we just made a quick trip to the dollar store. I wasn't planning on doing this kind of organizing, but I bought some little containers. I bought 2 of these. They are 9 3/4 by 6 3/4 and 2 inches high. They have a little, let me set that down. They have like a little grip, rubber grip. They're pretty sturdy, and then they have little grips on the bottom. So I got 2 of those, and then I got two of them, 2 longer ones and then 2 shorter ones. I have no idea what I'm going to use them for. I was thinking spices for these big ones. I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go along, and I'll show you afterwards. Alright guys, so here is the after. I didn't show you before, but in this basket here is just some candy stuff, which Kyron does not know about that, so that stays pretty much like that. And then in here, I put my coffee filters, some of my like, I wouldn't say spices, but pre-mixed spices stuff. A thing of Jell-O. There's other little things that, this is like fudge topping. This is some taco stuff, sauce and seasoning, gelatin, just to kind of give it a spot and out of the way. So there we go. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. And I didn't end up getting to the other cupboard because I really don't know what to do in there. I will probably keep the same stuff that I already have in there, which is like chips and bread stuff other than actual bread. And then stuff that I really don't want him to see. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I said, give this video a thumbs up. And what other kind of videos that you guys want to see, leave a suggestion down in the comments. In the comment. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say bye.
Bye. Thumbs up. Comment. Subscribe.